Hi guys! Good morning people! Kami lakad-lakad. Hi guys! We are busy. My husband cooking South African
beef shin soup. Beef shin and vegetable soup.
beef shank.
Shin.
Ah, okay. You introduce, darling.
Beef shin, which I've cut up fine, and vegetable, and a lot of vegetables. Split peas, spinach, carrots, potato, onion.
A big part.
Yeah, that one I kept. Left it big.
Ah, I see.
And then nice marrow bones from the
Yeah.
shin.
Let's see.
And then
So what you did first?
first braise the onions. Then I
Put the meat
cook the meat a little bit.
and don't have spice yet.
I just added a little bit of salt, sea salt, the pink salt, the
Salt.
healthy one.
Yeah, so my husband using pink salt, the healthy one.
Ground pepper. Black pepper, ground. Don't be shy. A little bit of cloves,
Okay.
very little.
So guys, their soup is
A
different.
little bit of mixed herb,
Yeah.
very little,
Uh,
just for flavor. I'll put a little bit of garlic in it, just a little also. That's it.
so all the spice in.
It's in now.
In already?
I don't put no more spice.
Okay. So the meat must be soft and tender first before you put in all the vegetables.
Yeah.
So how many hours you cook the meat?
Probably 1 hour.
So estimating time to cook the meat, guys, is 1 hour. We will see if the meat soft in 1 hour. We will check and
It will be soft.
yes, really.
Yeah, it will be soft.
Okay.
Should.
Okay.
Then
So the vegetables you use, guys, is here. Introduce that your vegetables you use, love.
what do you call this again?
Pichay or
Chai
bok choy or pak choy.
or bok choy, pak choy.
This is the Filipino vegetables, guys, or Asian vegetables or
This
pak
one is
choy.
better, right?
And gonna use this one. Gonna use carrots,
And cabbage,
cabbage, and
potato,
potatoes.
and split peas.
And this one too.
Split peas.
Split peas.
I must just wash it first.
Okay, so later we will check, guys, of my husband cooking because he loves to cook. That's why I let him to cook. Or that's why I let him to take over in the kitchen because he cook better than me. Of course, he is my mentor. So we will come back to you later, guys. So guys, so my husband is cooking soup, is South African soup, and so I have nothing to do, I think, just relaxing. Maybe I watch movie, and yeah, so it's just nice to have a good husband, guys. But we both loves to cook, and sometimes I cook when my husband is busy, guys, and when he is at work. So I cook our food. And recently my husband is on diet, so we are very choosy about our food, or most especially his food. But usually me, too, I'm gonna on diet. But sometimes I eat junk food, but not really, or not like before that I always eat maybe every week. But now just maybe once a month I eat junk food and I eat sweets. But yeah, so I'm struggling to cut off the sweets totally, guys, because if I'm not really eat some sweets, I feel like some dizziness or feel like very lazy, because maybe or our bodies need some sugar. So that's why I eat sometimes sweets. So yun, and I'm still doing my exercise every day. I gonna exercise every night around 5 o'clock to 6, or sometimes 6 o'clock to 6:30. I'm only exercising 30 minutes and not more than that. Yun na nga, guys, and medyo ano tayo ngayon, relaxing, because my husband is not really busy on his work. So he helping me here inside the house, and he cook food. But we are vice versa. If he cook food now, maybe tomorrow I gonna cook. It depends what our mood. So sometimes he really like to cook every day. If who wants to cook, guys, they take over in the kitchen. So now is my husband is cooking, so I have time to. We always relax, guys. If I'm not really busy or my husband's not really busy, we always relax.
Vegetable soup with beef shin, soft shin with bone in, split peas, carrots, cabbage.
Wow, this looks so nice. Yeah, pak choy, guys.
Pak choy. Very thick. It's too thick. The pot is too small. Should be more water.
But this pot, guys, the big pot already. It's big. But my husband make a lot of vegetables. So yeah. So that soup, guys, with bone marrow. The bone marrow. This is good, but I'm not eating that one. My husband, he eat. Yeah. So you're the best mother. Hi guys, I'm done, or we done eating for dinner already, and my husband's soup is very nice, no? He cooked very nice soup, guys. South African soup was nice, and now we are relaxing, watching TV.
Thank you for watching, and please watch again. Bye bye.